solving tutorial. Today we will show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube in just 2 minutes. First, focus on forming a white cross around the white centerpiece. Next, position the white corner pieces by rotating the top layer into place. Now, let's complete the cube's second layer. Second layer down. At the end, by a series of moves, complete the yellow face and align all cube layers. Our target audience is Rubik's Cube beginners, and we believe this straightforward tutorial will help you quickly grasp the basics of solving a cube. We choose the title, Solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube in 2 minutes, because it's direct and engaging, accurately describing the video content.